Hello guys, if you want to add a gradient background on Canva, all you have to do is click on the color icon at the top from this menu and scroll down and reach the gradient section. Here you will find the many color gradient and ready to use. If you want to modify the color and add your own color, go to then click this plus icon and make sure and the area in the gradient section window. From here you can change the first color and the second color and create your own gradient background. And from the bottom you will find the style section 35 effects here that you can select on them, add the third color, and this plus icon you can see you can now add the new color. You can also control the transparency and the color from this bottom. But almost that is all regarding how to add the gradient background and Canva, guys. And thanks for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Don't skip, like, share this video.